Hi there, I'm just going to do a very super quick demo to show you how to make 3 different types of tonal ribbon using graphite pencil. So the first pencil I've got that I'm going to use is a 9B. And that's a super soft pencil, so I'll show you what happens when you make a tonal ribbon. Tonal ribbon is all about the pressure that you put onto your pencil when you're drawing on the page. I'm going to use the technique of grazing, which is where you use the side of the edge of the lead of your pencil. So starting off, pressing really hard, so hard that the pencil nib is breaking all over the place, and you see that you get a really dark line, and then gently releasing the pressure, gentle until you're hardly touching the paper at all. And there you have a gradation, a nice tonal ribbon going from very dark to very light. And if you use an HB, you'll get a slightly different effect. So here I am pressing really hard. I'm pressing as hard as I was with the 9B, really pressing into the paper, and then gradually releasing that pressure, gently, lightening the pressure, until I'm hardly touching the paper at all. There's more texture with the 9B than there is with the HB, and that's to do with the texture of the softness of the graphite. And now I'm going to show you the same thing with a 7H. And that has another different effect. When you're using a really super hard pencil, you're pressing it into the paper. I'm pressing as hard as I was with both the others, and you get a much more precise line. It really dents the paper. Oh, and I've actually broken the pencil. So releasing the pressure, pressing more and more lightly as I go down the tonal ribbon. Gently. No pressure at all. Super smooth and light. And as it gets to the lighter value, you come to the point where you're almost not touching the paper. You can see how you can get a very pale tone. So there you have it, 3 different types of tonal value.